Hello and welcome to the channel. I am Shaista from Express Fairway Freight. Today we will discuss about how to register food items in Dubai Municipality. The first thing is that we have to ensure our business trade license is registered with Dubai Municipality. You must have a login account with Dubai Municipality. You will have to register every food product which you wish to import to Dubai or any other city in the United Arab Emirates. Prior registration of all food products is a must. This will ensure that once your products are arriving in Dubai, the entire process of custom clearance is hassle-free. To register your items with Dubai Municipality, the requirements are product label and product pictures. You will have to upload these requirements on Dubai Municipality portal. Then wait for your product to be approved by Dubai Municipality. Upon obtaining the approval, you may proceed further with custom clearance process. Upon release of container, your food container shall be inspected by food inspector at the port. With proper approval from the concerned authorities, you shall be able to sell your product in the market. We understand that the entire process of food items registration is a complex procedure. We at Express Fairway Freight are specialized in registration of food products with Dubai Municipality. Our contact details are available at the end of video and in description. If you find this video informative, I request you to please subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you.